This video explains how to get started with Hugeicons Pro in a React Native project. We'll walk you through the entire setup process. Before we begin, let's quickly check the prerequisites. You'll need an existing React Native project and an active Hugeicons account with Pro subscription. I already have a React Native app set up with Expo. Now, before installing Pro icons, we need to activate the license. First, create an npm-rc file in the root of your project. Now, add the Hugeicons Pro registry code in the .npm-rc file. Just copy and paste the code from the docs. Now, go to your Hugeicons account. Then go to the License tab. Copy the license key, and replace this text with the copied key. This step allows access to Hugeicons Pro packages. Now let's install the required packages. First, install the Hugeicons React Native package using this command if it's not installed already. npm install hugeicons/react native. Next, install a Hugeicons Pro icon package. Before install the Pro package, you can find all the available Pro styles in the Hugeicons documentation. Simply visit the Pro packages page to see the full list of Pro styles available for installation. Pick the styles according to your design needs. So, now for example, we will install the bulk rounded Pro style package using this command. npm install Hugeicons Pro/core bulk rounded. Once the packages are installed, you're ready to use an icon. First, we need to import the Hugeicons icon wrapper. And as we can see, we're not getting import suggestions. This can happen with Expo or other framework configurations. If you face this issue, here's a quick fix. Open your tsconfig.json file, inside compiler options, add this line. And done! Basically, we are linking the types of Hugeicons packages. Now let's try to import again Hugeicons icon wrapper from Hugeicons/React Native. Next, we need to pass an icon to the icon prop of the Hugeicons icon component. For example, we will import a location icon. The icon will come from the bulk icon package. And now you can see the location icon is rendered on the screen. The Hugeicons icon component also allows you to control the icon's size, color, stroke width, and supports any SVG props. You can customize the size, color, and stroke width by providing these props. And that's it! You're now ready to use Hugeicons Pro in your React Native application. When you're ready to explore more, check out additional Pro styles, view more React Native examples, and discover other Hugeicons integrations.